Alright guys, so we got these heads together. You see I got water in the exhaust ports. Nothing's leaking. They've been there for about 20 minutes. I've already done the intakes, so that's good. I did have to go back through a few times and lap in a few valves, and blew up the seats and make sure everything was touching where it's supposed to, So I did have to go back and retouch up these valves with the cutters. So, but yeah, if you blew the seats up, put the cutter on there, and then you'll see, where it's hitting and where it's not. And then, if you have any chatter marks, then you go ahead and use the grinding compound to kind of smooth that out even more. But this is, you can get a decent, it's not like, it's probably not as good as a race valve job or what have you, but it's 3 angles. It's 60, 45, and 30 degrees. You've got, and I have 3 angles on both. So here's your 60. And then you can get these ones that are a dual. One side is 45, you flip it over, one side is a 30 in the mandrel. And then if you're careful, you can use a 13 mil socket on a drill. Just go slow and do that instead of using the T-handle, by hand. But you got to be careful with it because you got to keep the speed down, because if these grab, they'll grab and they'll chatter, and you'll have to start all over. So I had that happen a couple times. It just got away from me and grabbed, and then left some chatter marks on the seats. So you have to go back and do it again. So definitely got to be careful with using a drill with these cutters. But anyway, guys, yes, there's water in all the exhaust ports. Nothing, not a drop. And I've already done the intakes, and I've already done the other head. But I've been messing with these all day to get them. So it can be done at home, and that's where we're at, guys. So that's the results with these little cutters. You can cut in and seat new valves. All right, guys, thank you.